All right, we're going to be taking a look at Heyfish AI. This is a software that allows you to create UGC style ads with just dropping a link, and it will create your entire ad for you. So this is the website right over here for around $2 for creating an entire video that looks realistic and emphasizes and highlights your video. There's 1,500 AI actors, 70 plus languages, up to 60-second videos, natural lip syncing, and you can use a script or it will read the website and pull the URL from your product, and it will just do everything on autopilot. So we're gonna go take a look at this software. You can see some of the different examples and so forth. Welcome to take a look at this. Before we get in, I will come over here and we'll look at the pricing. So it's $24.99 monthly for 25 credits. You'll be able to create about 12 avatar videos with that. The pro plan is at $60, 70 credits, so about 35 avatar videos, and your business plan at $120 will give you 170 credits and 85 avatars. Now, obviously, if you're on the business plan, you could probably go out there and start running an agency doing this as well. Because these are going to be high quality ads, you're probably going to create maybe 5 or 10 per campaign or product. And then you're going to start looking at your stats and so forth when you're running ads. And once you see ads that are performing well, then you'll be able to create more videos with that avatar and with that style and so forth, right? No watermarks even on the starter plan, which is awesome. You can save on the annual plan right there. They do have a light mode and a dark mode, which is cool. Let's go and log in real quick. So once you log in, this is what your dashboard will look like. There's 3 main ads to get started. You have a URL to video ad, you have an avatar video, and then now we're going to do all 3 of these. I'm going to show you what the URL to video ad looks like. So, and then you also have the UGC influencer actors, the product showcase actors right over here, talking actors, double actors. So that's actually something very interesting. I don't know if I've seen that in other AI tools like this, UGC tools. So that's actually pretty cool. And that will be unique and probably stand out a little bit from all the individual type of ads. You have fashion try-ons where they'll actually try on clothes, image ad makers right over here where it's mostly going to be about the graphics and so forth. So a lot of good options for you. They do have, I'm not going to go over and show you all these, but they do have some AI tools over here as well. You have the AI image generator, you have the remove background, upscale image, upscale video, extend animate actor, and lip sync. So this animate actor, you can actually upload an image, like let's just say that's an image of yourself, and then you can add a reference video, and then it's going to actually try to mimic and move the character around like that. But I'm not seeing, like where you would act, where you would load in like a script or something like that. So that's the only thing I'm not really seeing. Like I don't think you can actually clone yourself in with this particular tool. I'm sure that's coming at some point. And then there's a lip sync right over here as well, a lip sync tool right there as well. But when you come over here to avatar video, right, product showcase actors, talking actors, double, and fashion try on actors right there. Now right off the bat, just so I can give you something, I went to URL video, and then right here we put in these shoes, I believe. Yeah, so I took this right here, I copied that, and then we went over here and you just paste that in and you say analyze URL, right? And you're going to paste that in, you're going to analyze the URL, and I just want to go and show you this one that it created for us.
Turns out my entire feed asked where I got these shoes in under 24 hours. It's the minimalist aesthetic combined with that secure strap closure that locks the look in place. The synthetic sole gives this cushioned bounce, while the taupe suede texture looks incredibly expensive. Even my pickiest fashion friend admitted these transformed his basic shorts into a full outfit instantly. They offer free returns if the vibe isn't right, so you literally have nothing to lose. Add these to your rotation today, because effortless style is finally this easy to find.
So I do like how it starts off with the full screen, does show a product showcase or image right there. It does have the captions on there as well. And then it moves into the person being, in the lower left-hand corner, and then really focuses on the product. And we're going to go over and build one of these again in a little bit, but overall, really, really good. I think the lip syncing could be a little bit better in my opinion, but that's the only thing that I noticed. Other than that, I'm pretty impressed with the tool so far. Let's go over and start creating some of these. So like, for example, that is the image ad creator. Or let's go the URL to video ad. And what I want to do is let's take this one right over here. This it's a product right over here. We're going to go right here and we're going to copy that. We're going to go into here and I'm going to go paste that in. And then right here, you can analyze the URL. So it's going to analyze that product and the copy that's on that URL. All right, so it's going to pull in all of the images from that URL right there. That's really cool. It's going to, here's the brand and here's the product description. And you can do some other things too, like this promotional info. And you can actually put the price, the promo code, promotional details if you want to. We're going to go with next right here. And you can put in the target audience if you want to. On the URL to video ad, looks like you're stuck at the 9:16 and around 30 seconds. I don't see how we're not able to change those options. Now we're going to go and we're going to generate a script. It already took all the information, product URL. It's going to write that into a script. And I'm just showing you what the process looks like. And then after that, we'll be able to look at all the different types of videos that it's kind of going to create, about 10 videos for us before rendering them. And the lip sync will be off during that time, but that's just before rendering. And then when you render the video, it takes about 5 or 10 minutes to create, and then that's when the lip sync and all that will be good. Yeah, so right now it's creating, I believe it's creating like 10 different scripts and styles. So it's not just creating one video for us, it's creating like 5 to 15 videos that you can go in and sample which one and which layout you like. And in this case, it didn't extract correctly, and that's probably going to happen with some. This is a Shopify store, but it didn't. We can go and enter this manually so we can put the brand in. And I'm going to take this as an opportunity I went ahead and created a soda can right over here. So called Crazy Soda. Let's just actually go and use this. This is a great way to showcase that you can use this in a manual way as well. And so what we're going to do is we're going to put the product description in, brand name in right here. It's called Crazy Soda. And then we're going to put the product in there as well. So downloads, there's the Crazy Soda can right there that we created in Gemini. And then we can go right over here and just go to next. You do need 6 images. I don't really want to do that right now. So let's go over here to a site that I know worked, and we're just going to go and let's just grab these boots right over here. So I'm going to click on that boot. I'm going to go over here, and you can see, I think it's probably because of the store. I mean, this is a really long URL with a bunch of weird symbols and dashes and all kinds of stuff. It needs to be a lot more clean, and that's what we've got right over here. So I'm going to go copy that. We'll come back over here, and I'm just going to go to URL to video. We're going to start the process over again, and we'll be right back. Okay, so that was super fast. Now, remember earlier, it was taking a while. This happened literally in like 5 seconds. So I grabbed all the images. We got everything we need, and we're just going to push next. So that's the next right there. Now it's going to generate the scripts. We'll be right back. Okay, perfect. So that took about 45 seconds. That was super fast. Now it's going to say the scripts. And okay, yeah, I remember this. It's going to give you 4 examples, like heel-heighted perfection, because it knows it's shoes or whatever. It's going to, go over this angle right here. Comfort without compromise. Instant style upgrade. Turns out my outfit changed just because I switched up my boots. Perfect party ready. 10 minutes into dance. So let's go with the comfort without compromise right there, and then we'll go with next. So you can pick your angle, and then right over here, one of the only other things, right? See how it's all female right here, and then we go over here, show all avatars. And I already reached out to them that when we are on the URL to video ad, I'm only noticing that for one, all avatar actors, and then there's no button I'm not seeing over here. So I think this is a UI thing that they need to look into and fix, because it's not giving us the ability to select any more avatars. And they're claiming that there's like hundreds of avatars or something like that, right? So that's some. And then we only have these ones to choose from. So we want to go with like boots or whatever. Let's go with let's just select. And I don't believe they're going to be able to showcase like them wearing this part right here. Maybe that would be something with the on the outfit type thing, but we'll try that out as well. But let's just go select right there and push. And then there's background music, and you can change. And then they have all kinds of different background musics right over here. Let's just grab that one, Dance in the Barn, because we're looking at boots. Okay, cool. So now it's going to generate our previews, and it's going to create 8 video templates with your script and avatar. And now it's generating the previews, 1 of 10, 2 out of 10 right there. And then you'll see it'll change to 3 out of 10. We'll be right back. Okay, so this is the next step. It's going to create all these right here, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 of these, and then you're going to get to choose which ones you want to keep. You can select all of them. You can select just one. So you can go, and this is preview mode. Voice synthesis and lip syncing will be complete after rendering the video.
Actually, thinking you have to suffer for style in knee-high boots is totally wrong. This design replaces painful arches with a supportive synthetic sole and soft vegan leather sock. I've been using these for 3 weeks. The brown leather feels amazing against...
Okay, so I'm not seeing the actress in these. So the actress should be...
Actually, thinking you have to suffer for style...
Yeah, so we're not getting the actress for some reason.
Thinking
I'm not going to render any of these, but that is what you're going to get. And normally it's going to show you the actress is going to be in there along the way. Okay. So let's go and look at some more of the ways that you can use the tool. Avatar video product showcase. Let's go to the fashion try on real quick. And let's just try this one right over here. So you got the boots right over here. See if there's a better one right over here. That one could work as well. And maybe this one. Let's go with that one right there. Okay. So we got fashion try on, upload and drag your clothes. So you'd actually need to upload. So this would be more like, obviously, if you have your own product, you're going to upload 6 or more images right here, and then it's going to go and be able to create your unique. So let's go and I'm going to see if I can grab those images real quick. Okay, so in this case, fashion try on. Okay, so we only had one reference image. We have the visual actor, and then we're going to go. Do we have to select another? No, we already selected that. Okay. 9:16. I'm not sure if it's letting us upload more images, or is it just one at a time? Maybe we go like that. And we have our reference images right there. Okay, boom. So we're going to go like that. It's going to tell you how many credits are required to do this one. It's going to be 6. Is that because we added 2 reference images? Let's go and just select that off. Okay, so I'm going to go and add that one real quick. So this is going to take 6 credits. Let's go and generate the video. So it's generating the video, and this is just going to be somebody walking in the clothes, trying the clothes on, or the boots or whatever, right? It's not going to have a script or anything like that. So that's going to be this video right here. Let's go take a look at double add right over here. Let's just go and click one and go add actors here. And we have our talking actors, select voice, but we have person A on the left and right. But okay, so we have, I think, the females on the left. So we're going to go with Alice, and then the person on the right, we're just going to go with Bill, right? And then we're going to go with type of language. VoiceOver speaks what you write. So is that where we go? And let's just take a look at, I wrote this little script right over here. Let's go grab this real quick, and let's go like that. Let's just grab half of that and then go to the person B. Okay, so I'm pasting the text in right here. I'm selecting person A. Okay, so dialogue lines 2 to 10, current 0. So yeah, this part kind of weird, not really working for us. A little bit difficult to use. Hovering over dialogues, lines 2-10, current 0. So maybe is that because we have lines? That didn't change anything. And you can change the model right here. We have the model right there. Okay. And then I want to go and try out the the ad maker right over here. So we could go and select something. We have that soda can that I want to go with. Let's just go, there could be that one right there. But let's just go with this one, recreate. We're going to upload our product image right here. There's our can. We can upload the logo if we want. We can adapt background. We can add text right over here. So, 50% off this amazing new crazy soda. We could go with 9:16. We'll just keep it that. And adapt background. So redesign background color based on the product's dominant color. That's cool. Let's go with that. And we're going to say generate. This is what we're going to add. Will require 1 credit right there. So let's go and generate this. It's going to be an image ad. We'll be right back. Okay, so it's creating that right now. Let's go take a look at the fashion right here. That's actually pretty cool. 8 seconds right there. And maybe you'd probably go with someone else that doesn't have like the dress pants on or whatever. It would be like, maybe we can remix this and change the attire. Visual actors right here. It would be nice to be able to type in a prompt and change what this person is wearing, so it would match a little bit more with the boots. But other than that, I am impressed with the quality of that fashion ad right there, which is great. I'm going to try one more, and it's going to be an avatar video. I'm going to select this guy right here, and I'm going to add this actor, and then I'm going to go ahead and close that one out. And we can go in here and you can actually adjust the voice and do all kinds of stuff right there. Some settings. That's really cool. We can go with text to speech, and I'm going to go ahead and just grab I'm going to add the text in right here, and I'm going to go. And it's going to cost 2 credits. We're going to generate a video right there, and then I'll come back once these. So here's our image ad. Let's go take a look at that. So there's your image ad product right there. You've got the 50% off this new amazing product, Supercharge Frenzy. And then there is the soda right there. So that's a really nice image it created. So that creates some really good stuff as well. We'll come right back. Okay, so let's see what we've got here on this ad that it created from the avatar video, single actor.
Forget everything you know about boring beverages. This is not your average soda. This is crazy soda. I'm talking about the supercharged flavor frenzy that's breaking all the rules. This one one right here? This is Electric Berry Blast. One sip and you'll feel the caffeine kick, an absolute explosive taste that you have to experience to believe. Stop settling for ordinary. Are you ready to get crazy? Grab a can of crazy soda today.
That's really cool. You could download this video and then you could actually go and do one further edit to it and add a picture or a small picture of the crazy soda just on the screen while he's talking about it. So that's pretty cool. I think that it'll take a little bit of fooling around to find the right actor and the right voice and everything for your branding and so forth. But overall, that's a very high quality video that it was able to create. You can remix, you can remove the background, you can extend, or you can upscale this as well. I would like on the avatar video, I would like to be able to, talking actors, for example, let's go back to that one and add the actor. We should be able to image. Yeah, so that's image, talking actor. So I would like to be able to add an image here, a reference image, so that it can have this guy talking and then maybe somehow holding the beverage or something like that. I have seen that before. Might be kind of difficult to create, a 30-second video like that, but that would be cool to be able to create this video with him holding the crazy soda. Would be super cool. But that's where you're probably going to have to do the URL to video type right there. And I'm sure that will be coming soon. AI is probably not quite there. I'll be holding that soda and everything right there. But overall, this was Heyfish. I'm going to start with some cons of a couple hiccups with the video creation. That second time we tried to use the URL, but then when like the URL over here, that was all jacked up, right? But then we did try again with, we tried another one and it like kind of halfway did it, right? We didn't get the actual actress in there, but we did get the rest of the renders. So, and then we had speed on the video creation, could be a touch faster in my opinion, and voice sync could be a touch better, but definitely is good enough. So then my pros, the URL to video ad worked great and produced final quality output. And that was this one right over here. The first time I tried it, it worked out really great. Shows the pictures of the shoes. Actor did really well. Voiceover is good and adds the captions in there. And you have plenty of options to, choose which one is good, which video you like. I think that's a pro as well, is that it creates 10 templates and then you get to choose which ones you like to actually render. And then the fashion try on video worked really, really good. That's this one right over here. I really liked that one. That one's really awesome. And then the image ad perfectly as well. I really like that one also. Overall, I have to give this one a 4 out of 5 star. Definitely a solid product right over here. There is a link below to go try this out for free. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.